Hello, my dear friends. Let's understand something special today. Okay. If a question begins with a question word and the question word is the subject of the verb in the sentence, means the question word is working as a question word and it is the subject of the verb in the sentence at the same time, then the structure we use to form the question is the structure of the affirmative sentence in that tense. Okay, for example, who teaches you English? Who teaches you English? Here who is the question word. We use this to ask a question, and here is working as a subject of the verb teach. Who teaches you English? So here in the present indefinite tense, the affirmative structure subject, main verb and object has been used to form this question, because we usually put a helping verb after the question word. Question word, helping verb, subject, main verb and object. But here there is no helping verb, because in the affirmative structure of a present simple and past simple sentence, there's no helping verb. Okay, here who can also be used as an object of a verb in the sentence, and it can be used as a question word at the same time. For example, who do you teach English? Who do you teach English? Here who, question word, do, helping verb, you, subject, English, object. Okay, here it is being used as an object. Who is the object of the teach in the sentence. Okay, in place of who in this sentence we can use whom. Okay, we can use whom, and the meaning is almost the same. Okay, whom is more formal than who. This is the only difference, and there is no other difference. We can take other examples using how many. How many people have you invited to the party? How many people have you invited to the party? Here we have a helping verb, have, because there is a you in the sentence, and which is the subject of the sentence. Here how many people is not the subject, but let's take an example where how many people is the subject of the sentence, and that is how many people came to the party. How many people have come to the party? How many people will come to the party? How many people are coming to the party? Here how many people is being used as a subject in the sentence. So here we would use the affirmative structure of particular tense. We can also use which. Which class attracts you most? Which class attracts you most? Here attracts is the verb and which class is the subject and a question word at the same time. But in the example, which class do you like most? Here which class is the object of like, not the subject. Okay, so here we use the question structure. But which class attracts you most? Here it is the affirmative structure of present simple. And we can also use whose. Okay, whose class attracts you most? Here an affirmative structure has been used. But whose class do you like most? Here do, helping verb after whose class. So it is the object of the like. Okay, so we can use whose, which and how many as a subject in the sentence, and we can also use it as an object, but the structure would be different. If we use them as a subject, the affirmative structure is used to form the question. If we use them as an object, we use the question structure to form the question, and that structure is question word, helping verb, subject, main verb, and other words. Okay, so the exception to the question structure I was talking about is if a question word can be used as a subject in a sentence, then the structure to form the question should be the structure of the affirmative sentence of that tense. Okay, do not use the question structure to form the question. Okay, use the affirmative structure to form the question in which the question word is the subject of the sentence. And that's all for today, and if you think the video is of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.